In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Dify AI to build apps. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to Dify.ai. Now, once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on Get Started. Now, we've got two options to log in and sign up. So we can use our Google account or connect with our GitHub account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with my GitHub account. So I'm going to click on Continue with GitHub. And now I'm going to authorize GitHub. It might ask you to log in and sign in. So log in and sign in. Then from here, we should be taken to cloud.dify.ai. Now from here, it's going to say no apps found if this is the first time using this. Now on the left hand side, it says create an app. So we got a few different options. So we can create a app from blank, or create from template, or import a DSL file. For this demonstration, I'm going to click on create with a template. Now we've got all these different type of templates we can use. So we can search by categories on the left. So we can do that. We can search a template or particular template. You can add that in there. We can click onto all types and then select which type of template you want to show. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and click onto data analysis, and then I'm going to use the template for YouTube channel data analysis. Now from here, it's going to say create an app from YouTube channel data. Now it's going to give us a name. So app name, we can go ahead and change this to whatever you like. So I'm just going to call this tutorial whiz. Now we can jot in a description here and then go ahead and click on create. And then from there, it might ask you to install some plugins depending what you've chosen. So for this, it's going to ask me to install YouTube chart generator. So this is a tool for generating statistical charts like bar charts, line charts, etc. OpenAI, so this is going to install OpenAI such as ChatGPT 4 or 5. Also Wiki. If you don't want to select them, go ahead and click on deselect all. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on install these 4 plugins. Then from here, click onto close. Now from here, it's going to give us some instructions if you've chosen a template. So it's going to say job descriptions. This is going to be YouTube channel data analysis copilot. Now the goal is to provide user with expert data analysis advice on YouTubers. A YouTube channel data analysis report primary focuses on evaluating the performance and growth of the channel and other key metrics. We can add in some skills here. So skill 1, use YouTube statistics to get relevant statistics, etc., etc. So it's going to give us a workflow too, and channel overview, performance, and all that. So yeah, these are the instructions I want to give it. We can add in some variables here if you want, add in some knowledges. We can see the tools here that I've selected. So I'm going to keep that as. And now to the right, we've got a debug and preview. So this is going to be as your YouTube channel data analysis copilot. I'm here to provide comprehensive and expert data analysis tailored to your needs. To get started, I need some basic information about the YouTube channel you're interested. Feel free to provide the channel name of the YouTube channel you're interested and specify any particular aspects you'd like the analysis to try to focus on. Now we can go ahead and talk to the bot, so you can just basically talk to it. Now from here, I'm just going to say, could you provide analysis of Mr. Beast's channel? So I'm just going to add that in here like so. Now once you've finished talking to the bot and all that stuff, we can go ahead and click on publish. So I've already done this, it's published 3 minutes ago, but if you want to update it, we can go ahead and click on publish update. We can run the app, we can embed this into a site, we can open in Explore, and we can access API references. We can go ahead and click on run app. Now we can go ahead and talk to the app. So this app is called Tutorial Whiz. We can open it in Explore as well. So yeah, this is just a quick run how to use Dify AI to build apps.